One's father, the oldest, best, or biggest example of something. The daddy of all potholes. I'm sure there's another definition of daddy somewhere. Noun, a form of address for a male significant other. Getting warmer. A name used mostly by innocent young girls to address an older guy. Yeah, this is Okay, what I'm getting at is we're gonna be playing a game called Daddy. Yeah. What's up, dudes? What's going on? Coryxkenshin here, and welcome to Daddy. Am I talking about myself or the game? This is a survival horror game. Yes, survival horror game where we have to find our daddy, okay? I don't know if this has any relation to grandma, grandpa, daddy. Look, it's a lot of relatives these days. Now, your boy, you know, I've been called daddy on a few occasions. By nobody. All right.
Oh my God.
My mans, where's your shoes at? Where you go? Where's your shoes? Wait. Okay, there's a lot of social commentary here. Whoa! Okay. What the freak? Why am I walking like this?
Oh my God.
What the heck? Okay, first of all, look at my hands. Was I adopted? Why am I bouncing like this? Okay, guys, we gotta start over. My game crashed, but the social commentary here is astounding, staggering even. We got a black dad. He's got no shoes on. What's that mean? Okay. Second of all, he was walking out of our life. Hello? Hey! What's up, dude? I think this man just tripped. Okay, so we're in here. We gotta find our dad. Let's get it. Let's get it. Dad? Where are you, Dad? What the freak is this? Detonator handle. I'll take that. So we need to find something to detonate. Open that up. Oh, shoot! He's coming! He's coming! Bro, this game cost me $3. Alright. Okay, we gotta wait from him. So we gotta get out. We got the wood planks, bro. This is just like granny. He on that lean. Hold up. Detonator. We can put this somewhere. Oh, follow the lines. Follow the lines. Ah. Let's go. We blowing that up. Woo-wee. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Where the wine? No. That's... Oh my... Bro, I'm drunk! Is this what it's like to be drunk? All I see is darkness. Okay, I just had to restart my game.
Okay.
I was stuck in the sunken place, guys. I was freaking stuck in the shadow realm after I took that shot of Patron, so... Yeah, no. If you're gonna drink, make sure it's the good stuff. Now, give me this. We're not gonna pick up that freaking drink this time. If my game crashes again, well, I don't know what the freak I'm gonna do. Let's open that. Oh, this dude is really trying his best to stay fit. Can't blame him. He's kind of big, boy. Alright, detonate it. Oh, he's chasing after me. Run! Run! Go down, let's go. It ain't catching me, young boy. Okay, what do we got down here? He got a little underground place. I don't want to pick up anything, dude. My... Stopped. It stopped. Oh shoot, I'm music. I'm hungry, I mean. There you go. Okay. Nice little twist on Granny. Alright, you gotta eat. Hey! Hey! Why does he sound so... Woo! Woo-hoo! Get your freaking ankles, bro, young boy. So wait, he can trip over this? Hey, my man. Come over here, come over here. This dude is the most trash villain. It's his own freaking contraption. And he's like out cold from that. Bro, I'm still wondering why my dad is like some black dude with no shoes on. Dude, it's like 3 levels? Oh, snap. We need a gold key for that. Okay. Alright. So we know where the purple key is at. Let's go grab the purple key.
Disgusted.
Yo, he was throwing that thing back, bro. Yo, he was for real twerking. What is this game, dude? Bro, we need to finish this game. He's twerking. I'm starting to feel, bro. All right, my man's just up there throwing it back. There's a purple key down here. Let me get that. Give me that. We out. We out, man. I'm done with this game. I paid $3 for this. This was $2.99. Granny was free and it was better than this. Okay, boom. Bada bop, boom. Pow. Drop that. Now we got these wood planks. We're gonna need to find like a hammer, I'm suspecting. Fire axe. Even better. Even better. I'm out. I'm done. I'm done with the... This sucker, man. Oh my gosh. Yep. Fire axe for the wood. No. What? Gold key. Okay, give me that. Give me that. We'll come back for the axe. Hey! Oh shoot. Let me use this key real quick, my guy. Let me use this key real quick. Ah, take me. Ah! Why am I screaming? What is happening? Is he throwing me? Man, this... Let's go. Oh my gosh. Woo! Woo, that's scary. Okay, that was a nice little scare. We're in the gold room now. That's locked. Still not letting me eat. Even though there's food right here. Oh, you can pick up a plate, though. Pick up the food. Bro, I'm about to rage, man. We need to finish this game right now. You can break this with the axe. Oh. Whoa. Of course, I left the axe downstairs, didn't I? Oh, my gosh. Bro, this house is huge. Purple key again? Oh. Gun? Let's go. What kind of game is it? Oh, snap. It's our dad. Are you good? Daddy, what is it? Daddy, what are you doing? Dad, are you praying? Like, okay, it looks like he has the key in the freaking cell. So, I don't know if he's trying to stay in there. Maybe I interrupted something. Maybe my dad and him arranged for this. You know, I don't want to go into their business. I don't know what they got going on. But obviously, with the key right there, he can get out. We got a couple of locks to explore though before we get our dad. So first of all, I got this heater though. Why is he aiming it? I ain't throwing it back. All right, we got the fire axe again. Let's go break down those boxes real quick. Let's go. All right. Okay, this is not buggy. Okay, we're getting through it. Okay, all right. This MLG gameplay right here. Okay, blue key. But I thought there was already a blue key. What's this? Red key now? Bruh, oh my gosh. I can't open that. What if the red key's in there? Okay, we got the blue key. Wait, what? I can't open this. Starting this over one last time, dude. Crowbar. Let's go. Bro, this is... Gosh. Bro, let me use the crowbar. Actually, this is reminding me of like Hello Neighbor mixed with Granny. Hold up. Trip. Thank you. Come again. Now we're gonna jump down here. I'm freaking hungry. Okay, use this. Bop, bing, boom. Can't leave without my daddy. What? I don't understand. Okay, so we back up. A fence thing here. Yep, it just poofs there. Just literally poofs there. Let's open this. Yes, see? It wouldn't open last time. Okay, boom. Open that. Now we're back here. Give me the blue key. Time to get dad or daddy. Ugh, here you go. Bada bow. Come on. What the f... Are you good? What? Okay, give me this. Why is there a blue key in here? I don't like how you follow me, bro. Are you good? Bro, did he drug you? No, everybody on this game is on lean. Come on, hurry up. If we get caught, I don't know, you're gonna have to wrestle him. I don't know, because he's bigger than me. I can't. If you could just make it downstairs, daddy. Come on. I don't know where he's at, but we're at the freaking front. Oh my gosh, there he is. Come on. Hey. What is wrong with this man? Guys, this is probably the weirdest, scary game we're ever gonna play on the channel. $3. I paid $3! Guys, please slice that like button to lesser the pain that I feel of spending $3 and an hour and a half of game crashes and getting through this game. I hope you enjoyed this today. I'll see you tomorrow with something better. Daddy. I'm daddy for playing this. Because my name is coryxkenshin.